Coco and the Curious Sea Sound. Coco was a very curious cat. Coco and cat both start with a k sound. Coco was curious about all the sounds in the world. One day, Coco saw a colorful car outside the window. Car also starts with a k sound. Meow. Where is that car going? Coco followed the car. The car took Coco to a big city and stopped in front of a colorful circus tent. City and circus start with a SSS sound. How strange. Just then, a funny-looking clown named Charlie appeared. Hello, little friend. Welcome to the circus. Charlie the clown starts with a k sound. Charlie juggled balls inside a big circle. Circle starts with a SSS sound, said Charlie with a wink. Charlie rode a bicycle, going round and round. Coco's eyes grew wide. The word bicycle has a SSS sound in it, too. After the fun show, Charlie brought yummy cake and candy for Coco. Cake and candy are back to the k sound. As Coco ate the sweet cake, the little cat thought, aha, C can make a k sound like in cat and a SSS sound like in circus. Coco gave a big clap for Charlie, who taught this new lesson. Charlie gave a big clap for Coco, who was brave enough to come all the way to the circus. Cat Coco and Clown Charlie are k sound friends. The city's circus and the round circle are SSS sound friends. C is a very fun and amazing letter.